Meteorologist Danielle Savoni has been looking ahead, and you see some good news in your crystal ball for us?
Yes, in my crystal ball I see another Chinook in store for us this week by Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Okay.
So if you like the warmth, you'll get some warmth, so that's some good news. But a lot of people I noticed put the effort into making ice rinks outdoors, and then it all kind of fell apart. Sadly, I don't mean to laugh. I'm sorry, I know it's a lot of work.
So this is Calgary though. That's what happens.
That's what happens. But as we get into next week, that's when we're getting into really cool temperatures, perfect for ice making. So let's talk about temperatures right now, because we're sitting at -7, but with the wind chill feeling more like -16. Now the winds are pretty gusty, and they could gust up to 60 km even up until about midnight tonight, Nirmala. So at 9 o'clock tonight, -11 will be the base temperature, but it could actually feel more like -24 with the wind chill. It will be a cold start tomorrow morning as well, so heads up on that. If you have to walk to the bus or walk anywhere, walk the dogs, get the kids off to school, make sure they're prepared for one more cold day, and then we get some warmth back.
One more day of bundling up. All right, thanks a lot, Danielle.
Thanks, Irma.
RCMP have laid charges
Out there today, but that's pretty much done for now, and we won't see any until the weekend. The big news here, the temperatures. So let me show you the 7-day temperature trend. 5, so -5 tomorrow. It will be another cold day tomorrow. Then we kick up above normal. This line here, -3, that's where we should be for this time of year. But look at early next week. Temperatures really take a dive, and our daytime highs will be more like overnight lows for January. So let me get into the long-range forecast in just a minute. First, I want to focus on a couple things here. You can see in Calgary, yes, we're clearing out. Things have been quite nice for the afternoon hours. We did have to deal with the snow for the morning, and as you can see, the snow already down into the state, so out of the way for us. Let me talk about tomorrow, and I want to give you this in 3 parts here. -15 to start off the day. Wind shouldn't really be an issue for tomorrow, so that's some good news. As you can see, the wind's relatively calm. -15 in the morning, getting up to -5 morning. South for the afternoon, west for the evening. So by tomorrow evening, a Chinook will start to kick in, and that will bring our temperatures up Thursday to about 3 degrees, Friday to about 5. That all comes with some sunshine, although we may see some clouds increase on Thursday. Still mild for Saturday and above the freezing point. But as we get into the weekend, we run into that chance of snow late Saturday into Sunday and possibly even Monday. And then look at next week. Temperatures -17 Nirmala, -15 for Tuesday. So certainly cold by that point. So enjoy the warmth when you get it.
All right, thanks a lot, Danielle.
You're welcome.
Still ahead.
You can see the snow is out, but the cold is going to stick around for a while. I'll show you how cold it will get. That's coming up.
With a peek at the forecast, and Danielle, the snow is over for now, but it is going to be a cold night.
Oh yes, it will be. You will feel a bite in the air if you haven't already. If you haven't been outside today to notice how much it's cooled down, well, you will notice tonight and tomorrow. So let's talk temperatures, because right now we're sitting at about -7. With the wind chill though, it feels more like -, because it will be back later this week. I'll show you coming up, Nirmala.
All right, thanks a lot, Danielle.
You're welcome.
Out there tonight. When will that wind die down though?
Well, the wind will pick up here and there all the way up until about midnight tonight. So 50 to 60 k gusts are certainly possible in Calgary up until midnight. And you can see 50 k for Brooks and around 60 for Medicine Hat. So tonight's still gusty, but tomorrow should be a lot quieter when you're talking winds. And as you can see, things clearing out here. The snow all the way down into the states by this point. So that's over with too. We shouldn't see snow until later this week, and I'll talk about that in just a second. But let me talk about tomorrow first, and I just want to give you the hour by hour here. So this will play through from 6 in the morning to 6 o'clock at night. And if you focus on Calgary, you can see, yes, mainly sunny out there tomorrow. Some clouds dancing around us, but we should be mainly sunny, just cold for tomorrow. -5 is a high, and again, -15 for the morning, getting up to -5 by the afternoon, mainly sunny skies. Then we kick into warmth once again. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, temperatures will be above freezing. Thursday, you may notice some clouds increasing. A nice little Chinook arch may build in. 3 degrees for Thursday, 5 for Friday, 2 for Saturday. Late Saturday into Sunday and Monday, there is the potential for some snow. And also, as you can see, the big story, not really the snow, but the dropping temperatures. So by Sunday, you're dropping to about -6. And then by next week, these are really what our overnight lows should be. And these will be our daytime highs. So get ready for really cold weather, Nirmala. So I guess we need to enjoy this 3, 5, and 2 while we get it, right?
I guess we have been spoiled, haven't we?
Yes, very much so.
Thank you, Danielle.
You're welcome.